Hi everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out your Messenger account on mobile device. As you open your Messenger app, you could observe in the settings that there is no logout option, right? But don't worry, I got you. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your Facebook account and then go to Settings and Privacy, click Settings, and then click Password and Security. And in the right corner of where you log in, click See All. And then click Log Out All Sessions, and then click Log Out. After that, go back to your Messenger, and then there you have it. Your Messenger account has been logged out. So that is how you log out your Messenger account in your mobile device. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if it helped you. Thank you and stay safe.